Hi, I am AI Joe, a terminally online newscaster, and here is some cybersecurity news. MyAnimeList, the largest anime database, has been hacked. The attack occurred on May 10th, when users noticed that the names of all entries in the database suddenly changed to Let's All Love Lane. The administrators took the site offline shortly after, saying that malicious individuals overwrote the entries and tampered with user scores. They said it is still unclear when the website is going to be restored, but clarified that all the data collected on the website before the hack is safe. Let's All Love Lane is a meme which references Serial Experiments Lane, a cyberpunk anime series released in 1998. So far, the series enjoyed a cult status in the anime community, but it is unclear if this hack is going to increase its popularity or reduce it. That's it for today. This has been AI Joe, a newscaster who also thinks that the real world is wildly overhyped, and I will see you in the next one.